All right, guys, so we're going to go over the cool down from Tuesday. Remember, you're going to have another chance to try again. Today, today's lesson's more about practicing, but I definitely want you to go over the review to make sure you have you understand any mistakes that you have made, or just to check your answers to verify that you did it right. So for problems 1, 2, and 3, right, this was 1, 2, and 3. You had this image right here, and it said to use this graph to identify point A, B, point C, and D. So for point A is right here, right? So I'm like, oh, okay, so it's going by twos. So in the middle is, 1. So it's going to be here on the X is 1. And on the Y, it actually didn't go up or go down. It stayed on the X-axis, so that's 0, right? That's 0. So whenever you stay on the X-axis, the Y value is 0. Now for number 2, write the coordinate for point C. Point C is over here. And then again, you're always going to start with the X first, and then the Y. It's always parentheses with a comma in the middle. So the X is -6. And the Y is right here between 4 and 6, so that's 5. So -6, 5. And then point D is down here. And again, it's always parentheses with a comma in the middle. And the X, this is the X right here, so that will be between -2 and -4 is -3. So -3. And on the Y is between -4 and -6, so that's -5. So that's point A, B, and C on the coordinate plane. For the next question, it said, which points are in quadrant 2? So remember from the video and the notes that you took on that day on Tuesday, we learned that a coordinate plane has 4 quadrants: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And these are all, you say the quadrants in Roman numerals. So notice it's all Roman numerals. So quadrant 2 is this one right here. So point C and point E are in quadrant 2. So point C and point E are the only 2 points in quadrant 2. Watch this again if you need to review a little bit more. If not, go ahead and continue with today's lesson.